Welcome to GD Quiz. Test your general knowledge with today's exciting quiz. Challenge yourself, keep track of your score, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel and write your final result below. Ready? Let's begin. What is the capital of Australia? Correct. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? That's right. Mars is the red planet. Which animal is the largest mammal? Amazing. The blue whale is the largest mammal. How many continents are there? Correct. There are 7 continents. Which vitamin is mainly produced by sunlight? Excellent. Vitamin D. Which country is famous for pizza? Correct. Italy is famous for pizza. What is the chemical symbol for gold? Which bird cannot fly? Penguins. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Correct. The Pacific Ocean is the largest. Which instrument has 88 keys? Well done. A piano has 88 keys. Which gas do humans breathe in? Correct. Humans breathe oxygen. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the USA? France. Which is the fastest land animal? Incredible. It's cheetah. What is H2O commonly known as? Which planet has the most rings? Saturn. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. Which organ pumps blood through the body? That's right. The heart pumps blood. How many sides does a hexagon have? Correct. A hexagon has 6 sides. Which sport uses a shuttlecock? What is the tallest mountain in the world? It's Mount Everest. Which country has the largest population? It's India. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? Which desert is the largest hot desert? Correct. The Sahara is the largest hot desert. Which language has the most native speakers? It's Mandarin Chinese. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Correct. Mercury. Which planet is known as the morning star? It's Venus. What is the largest bone in the human body? The femur is the largest bone. Which country is famous for the pyramids? Egypt. Which ocean lies between Africa and Australia? The Indian Ocean. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Correct! Mercury. Which country invented paper? That's right. China invented paper. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Correct. Plants absorb carbon dioxide. Which is the smallest continent? Australia is the smallest continent. Which is the largest cat species? Excellent. The tiger is the largest cat. Which country is home to the kangaroo? Correct! Australia is home to the kangaroo. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? Correct. Water boils at 100 degrees C. Which is the hardest natural substance? Amazing! Diamond is the hardest natural substance. Which famous ship sank in 1912? Correct. The Titanic sank in 1912. Which planet is the largest in our solar system? Great job! Jupiter is the largest planet. Which country hosted the 2022 FIFA World Cup? Correct. Qatar hosted the 2022 FIFA World Cup. Which organ helps us breathe? Correct. The lungs help us breathe. Which sea creature has 8 arms? Excellent. An octopus has 8 arms. Which is the largest rainforest in the world? Correct. The Amazon is the largest rainforest. Which country is famous for sushi? That's right. Japan is famous for sushi. Which instrument measures temperature? Correct. A thermometer measures temperature. Which is the fastest bird in the world? Incredible. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird. Which is the largest planet after Jupiter? Correct. Saturn is the second largest planet. Which country is known for the Eiffel Tower? Excellent. France is known for the Eiffel Tower. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Correct. Jupiter is the largest planet. Which country is famous for maple syrup? That's right. Canada is famous for maple syrup. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Correct. The pound sterling is the UK's currency. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Excellent. The lion is the king of the jungle. Which famous tower is located in Paris? That's correct. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. Which ocean is the smallest? Correct. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest. That's right. An apple keeps the doctor away. Which planet is famous for its beautiful rings? Excellent. Saturn is famous for its rings. Which country is home to Machu Picchu? Correct. Peru is home to Machu Picchu. What is the largest organ in the human body? The skin is the largest organ. Which bird is the symbol of peace? Well done. The dove is the symbol of peace. It's Netherlands. Which sport uses a bat and a wicket? Correct. Cricket uses a bat and wicket. Which vitamin is found in oranges? Excellent. Oranges contain vitamin C. Which is the largest country by land area? Correct. Russia is the largest country. Which instrument tells direction? That's right. A compass tells direction. Which is the tallest animal in the world? Correct. The giraffe is the tallest animal. Which famous scientist discovered gravity? Correct. Isaac Newton discovered gravity. Which is the smallest country in the world? Excellent. Vatican City is the smallest country. Which country is famous for the Great Wall? Correct. China is famous for the Great Wall. Which organ controls the human body? That's right. The brain controls the body. Which is the fastest sea animal? Correct. The sailfish is the fastest sea animal. Which color is created by mixing blue and yellow? Excellent. Blue and yellow make green. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? Correct. Iceland is the land of fire and ice. Which is the largest hot desert in the world? Correct. The Sahara is the largest hot desert. What is the currency of Japan? Correct. The yen is Japan's currency. Which animal is the tallest living mammal? Excellent. The giraffe is the tallest living mammal. Which is the longest river in South America? Correct. The Amazon River is the longest. Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis? Great job. Plants release oxygen. Which country is known for the ancient city of Petra? Correct. Jordan is known for Petra. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Correct. There are 7 colors. Which organ produces insulin? That's right. The pancreas produces insulin. Which is the largest species of shark? Amazing! The whale shark is the largest shark. Which country has the city of Dubai? Correct. Dubai is in the UAE. Which planet is closest in size to Earth? Correct. Venus is closest in size to Earth. Which famous clock tower is in London? Correct. Big Ben is in London. Which country is home to the kangaroo? That's right. Australia is home to the kangaroo. Which is the smallest prime number? Correct. 2 is the smallest prime number. Which famous ship carried the Pilgrims to America in 1620? Correct. The Mayflower carried the Pilgrims. Which layer protects Earth from harmful UV rays? Correct. The ozone layer protects Earth. Which is the largest bird in the world? Great! The ostrich is the largest bird. Correct. Finland is the land of 1,000 lakes. Which is the largest internal organ in the human body? Excellent. The liver is the largest internal organ. Which planet is known as the blue planet? Fantastic. Earth is the blue planet. Awesome job making it to the end. How many questions did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe to GD Quiz, and turn on the notification bell.